Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a whole house clean with me. We are actually on spring break here in Massachusetts, so I am just going to get everything done all of today. Like, I don't want to be spending my whole week. It's beautiful out right now. It's hard to see, but like the sun is shining. We're going to the zoo later on. And the kids are occupied right now. My daughter is still going to school. She's in preschool, so her school was still open and she wanted to go. She only has like a month and a half left of the school, which she adores. So we weren't doing anything today, so she decided to go. So my son is here. He's headed to a friend's house in a little bit, and I am just going to get everything done so that way the rest of the week I am just available to play with the kids, hang out, and enjoy this time with them. So that's why my videos have kind of slowed down a little bit this week. I still have a couple going up, but usually I'm an every other day uploader. But I'm giving myself a little bit of grace and just kind of giving myself a break and enjoying this time with my kids. I have a ton of videos. I put up actually a video on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, like all consecutively. So today is Tuesday, so generally there would be a video going up. But like I said, we're just kind of giving ourselves a little bit of a break. But there's tons of content on my channel if you want to go back and catch up. But we are going to make the beds, clean the bathrooms. We have laundry to fold. We have vacuuming, dusting, mopping, you name it, glass cleaning, all of it. So I'm going to get all of it done as quickly and efficiently as possible. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and get some motivation. And if you do, I would love for you to subscribe, and let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start off in my bedroom, and I'm going to make the bed. I'm going to dust just like the furniture, give it a little quick wipe down. I'm going to vacuum, and I am going to fold a load of laundry. And then we'll head into the kitchen. We have some breakfast dishes and just general tidying up in the kitchen. But I'm gonna do this video vlog style. It's just, I don't know, I love vlog style cleaning videos because, I don't know, they're just more fun to watch in my opinion. So, and sometimes doing the voiceover, like I film a ton of videos. So like when I go back and watch it, it's like not in like real time. If that makes any sense. Like, I still do those type of videos, but to me it's just easier to do the vlog style. So that's how we're doing it today. But we're gonna start in the bedroom, and then we are going to head to the kitchen.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
So we are done. What, Austin? Sure. We are done in my bedroom. Everything is dusted, wiped down. I'm just gonna vacuum the house all at once. So I am going to head to the kitchen, get the breakfast dishes done, and get everything cleaned up out there.
Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no. Yeah. I would do anything. I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper.
dining room and the kitchen is all cleaned up. I am headed in to do the bathrooms, and then I need to mop, and then we are done. It wasn't that bad. The house wasn't too bad, but just wanted to kind of, like I said, get everything done all in one day so I didn't have to worry about the rest of the week. But I'm just bracing myself for what I'm gonna find in the kids' bathroom because it's always a mess, and I see toothpaste all over the mirror. The sink doesn't look too bad. There's some toothpaste in there, but you know, it's not too bad. Let me show you. Always, but it's really not that bad. Oh, look at the light, you can see all of it. Gross. So we're gonna get this cleaned up and my bathroom cleaned up, which is also not very clean, and then do the floors, and then we will be done.
Going high with my bad patience. I hate it always falls on you, but you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one.
All right, all of the glass is clean. All of the bathrooms are also clean. So now on to mopping. We're done.
Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one.
so that is it. We got the entire house cleaned. Everything is put away, everything's wiped down, floors are mopped, glass is cleaned, bedrooms are picked up, and all of that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation. If you did, make sure you subscribe and comment down below and let me know if you guys did anything fun over your spring vacation. Everyone I know for the most part went away, but we still have some friends here, so we are gonna do the zoo with them and just kind of do some day stuff and still have tons of fun, but everyone seems to be going away. I think everyone's making up for lost time last year. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.